It's Monday, November 3rd, 2008, and it's the night before a very historic election. Owen, hit it.
When I say Barack, you say Obama. Barack. Obama. Barack. Obama. When I say Barack, you say Obama. Barack. Obama. Barack. Obama. When I say Barack, you say Obama. Barack. Barack.
That's great. What's the end, Owen? We want
a change.
Yay! Okay, what does it say at the bottom to explain to the camera?
We want a change in red, white, and blue.
Okay, and Sheila, what's your saying? No, the one you put on the one you made yourself. What is that supposed to be?
It's supposed to be the American flag right next.
No, but that's okay. It's your own version, right? Because
it's red and blue, and at the bottom white.
Right, because one of the most important things that Barack Obama said was we don't have red states of America or blue states of America. We have the United States of America.